So this is a problem for many creators. You've got a fabulous slide and then you figure out you've got a large block of text that isn't going to fit at all. So here is where you can insert a scrolling panel, which lets you scroll vertically through additional content. I use scrolling panels mostly for text, but they're also used to hold images, characters, videos, and other elements. So let me show you how to insert one. If you look at this particular paragraph, I have a problem right here. So much text simply isn't going to fit. So what do I need? I need to insert a scrolling panel. The first thing I'll do is I'll move this text to the side. Then I'll go up to the Insert tab. And then over to the right here, you see the scrolling panel. I'll select it. And then you're going to see your cursor will turn into a cross. So you can click and drag wherever you want that scrolling panel to be placed. And then when you let go, the scrolling panel is created, as you can tell down on the timeline here. So the next thing we need to do is place our text in the scrolling panel. Select your text and drag it. Move it up a little bit, and then when I let go, the scrolling panel is created. You can see I can scroll here. The last thing we need to do is format this text a little bit. So we'll right click, select format shape, select say solid fill, a white with 20% transparency or 25% transparency is fine. Just select close. Let's now preview the entire thing by pressing Shift and F12. See how that looks. There's our first layer, our first question, second layer, second question, and third with our scrolling panel. We are able to scroll. Looks good. So if you've got a large block of text or any image that won't fit where you need it to fit, a scrolling panel might be the solution. All right, so let's move on to the next topic, which is adding a zoom region to a particular image.